All right, let's do the pre-college algebra 111 for 2021-2022. Solve by factoring. All right, let's do solve by factoring. So what we're going to do is first rewrite it. Go minus 3 on both sides. So now you have t squared minus 2t minus 3 equals 0. Now from there, I'm going to say possible numbers are 3 times 1. So I put that t plus 3, t minus 3. 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. And 1 minus 3 is negative 2. So that's correct. So now we set it from there. We have t plus 1 equals 0, minus 1 minus 1. So t equals negative 1. Or t minus 3 equals 0, plus 3, so t equals negative 3. Two answers. Next page. Solve using synthetic division. So look at the last number, look at the first number. The possible numbers are 4 plus or minus 4 or 5. All the factors of 4 are 4, 2, and 1, and 5 and 1. Put them over as fractions, all this right here. So this becomes 4/5, 2/5, 1/5, nothing happened. But this 4 over 1 is 4, 2 over 1 is that, and 1 over that. Now I'm going to try x equals 2 in synthetic division up here. So 2 goes in there, bring the numbers down. So bring the 5, 2 times 5 is 10. Up here, 10 and 1 is 11. And then you have that times that, 22. 22 minus that is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Yes, remainder is 0, so that is an answer. Now I'll do synthetic again. Put these numbers down. So negative 2, bring the 5 down. That turns out is negative 10. 11 minus 10 is 1. Negative 2 times that is negative 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 again, remainders. That means that's another answer. So now we have two answers. So we have left over 5x plus 1 equal to 0. Minus 1, both sides. So 5 equals negative 1. Divide by 5. And x equals negative 1/5. So our answers are going to be 2, negative 2, and negative 1/5 for the answers. And these cancel right here. Okay. All right. Another one. Find the domain of this radical function. Okay. The formula is find the domain of radical function. You said ax plus b greater than or equal to 0, generic answer. So 5x minus 35 bigger than or equal to 0. Add 35 at 35, so 5x is bigger than 35. Now what? Divide by 5, both sides. So x is bigger than or equal to 7, including 7. Or from 7 to infinity this way, or positive from 7, including it in rotation to infinity. Use the graph of the function right here. Big W right there. You know. So, x-intercepts. These are the x-intercepts right here. Negative 1 and positive 1, 0. Negative 1, 0, 1, 0, x-intercept. Y-intercepts. Right there. This is the y-axis right here. Again, this is the x. And this is the y right there. All right, so now we have the numbers. We have x-intercepts, y-intercepts. Now the domain goes from negative 3 to 3, left to right. And range goes from 0 up to 3, 0 to 3, like that. Okay. Now, next part. It's increasing from negative 1 to 0, it's increasing. And from 1 to 3, it's increasing. And it's decreasing from negative 3 to negative 1, and from 0 to 1. Now, from there, so we have the graph is not constant in the interval, and the function is even, because if you cut it right in the middle, it's symmetric to the y-axis. All right, let's go to the next one. Graph f of x equals absolute value of x minus 4 minus 2, and find the area of the region bounded by f and the x-axis that lies below the x-axis. So in your graphing calculator, you're going to go y1 equals math number abs. So it's going to be y1 equals abs of x minus 4 minus 2, big minus signs, or it might look like this. I don't know what you have. So now put it in the machine. You're going to get some intercepts. There's the x-intercept right there, x-intercept right there, y-intercept. Anyway, there's a graph. Area bounded is this one here in the yellow. How do you find the area of a triangle? If a triangle is going to be 1/2 base height. So the base is from here to here. From 2 to 6 is 4. And the height from here to here is going to be 2 spaces down. So 2. So base is 4. Height is 2. 1/2 base height. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 over 2 is 4. So the area is 4. Alright. Now solve by using the quadratic formula. So first thing you have to do is put A, B, C, the coefficients. So here's the formula. Put the numbers in there. Negative of negative 7, negative 7 squared, minus 4 times 2 times negative 30, over 2 times 2. negative 7 squared means negative 7 times negative 7 is 49. Negative times positive negative is going to be positive 240. This is going to be a 289. So now the square root of 289, do use your calculator, is 17. So we have two things. 7 plus 17 over 4 or 7 minus 17 over 4. This is 24 over 4 and this is negative 10 over 4. And let's write this again, 24 over 4. Now this is 2 times negative 5 is negative 10 and 2 times 2 is 4. So we have, this one becomes negative 6, just 6, that's it. And this 2 is canceled out. So what's going to be left over is negative 5 over 2. Alright, next one. Find the zeros by using the quadratic formula. So here's the original problem. Rewrite it. So you have 2x squared plus 10x plus 11. So now we go ahead and put a, b, and c coefficients. So here's the formula again, quadratic formula. Negative of 10, 10 squared minus 4 times 8 times c over 2a. That's going to be negative 10. 10 times 10 is 100. That's negative 88. 100 minus 88 is 12. And prime numbers over here, 2, 3, 5, 7, so on. So 2 divides 12 is 6. 2 divides 6 3. 3 divides 3 1. So 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. Or 12 is 4 times 3. Replace this right here. See this? 12 is 4 times 3. And break it. Square root of 4, square root of 3. And square root of 4 I know is 2. So now bring this up here again. Copy it. So there's the original one. Now factor out a 2. 2 times that is negative 10. 2 times that is 2. 2 times 2 is 4 in the bottom. Cancel these out. So we have negative 5 plus or minus 1 square root of 3 over 2. Or negative 5 plus or minus square root of 3. You don't need the 1. So now this is going to give you two answers. Negative 5 plus square root of 3 over 2. Or x equals negative 5 negative square root of 3 over 2. For the two, these are the zeros of that function. Alright, good luck. Thank you. Bye. We'll do some more later. Good luck again. This is Professor Alfredo Gil Alvarez Jr. Good luck, good luck.